Hey everyone, a world where the laws of physics, as we know them, are turned on their head. A place where gravity doesn't pull you down, but pushes you up, where time flows at a different pace, and where the very fabric of reality seems to bend and warp. Such a world might seem like the stuff of science fiction, but what if I told you it's not entirely impossible? What if I told you that in Nigeria, a nation rich in history, culture, and innovation, there's a growing movement to explore the potential of a revolutionary concept, Newton's laws of motion? But before we dive into the details, let's ask a simple question. Can we really use Newton in Nigeria? The Newtonian paradigm. Newton's laws of motion, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century, form the bedrock of classical mechanics. They describe how objects move when a force is applied to them. These laws have been incredibly successful in explaining a wide range of phenomena, from the motion of planets to the behavior of machines. In Nigeria, as in many parts of the world, Newtonian mechanics is taught in schools and universities. It's used in engineering, physics, and various other fields. But the question remains, can we apply these laws to the unique challenges and opportunities presented by Nigeria? Challenges and opportunities. Infrastructure. One of the biggest challenges facing Nigeria is its infrastructure. Roads, bridges, and other public facilities are often in a state of disrepair. Newtonian mechanics can be used to design and build more durable and efficient infrastructure. For example, understanding the principles of force and motion can help engineers design bridges that can withstand heavy loads and earthquakes. Energy. Nigeria has a significant energy deficit. Many parts of the country lack access to reliable electricity. Newtonian mechanics can be used to develop more efficient and sustainable energy solutions. For example, understanding the principles of energy conservation can help engineers design solar panels that convert sunlight into electricity more efficiently. Agriculture. Agriculture is a vital sector of the Nigerian economy. However, it is often hampered by lack of access to modern technology and techniques. Newtonian mechanics can be used to improve agricultural productivity. For example, understanding the principles of motion can help farmers design more efficient irrigation systems. Transportation. Transportation is another important sector of the Nigerian economy. However, it is often plagued by traffic congestion and accidents. Newtonian mechanics can be used to improve transportation systems. For example, understanding the principles of force and motion can help engineers design safer and more efficient vehicles. The Nigerian context. While Newtonian mechanics has been applied successfully in many parts of the world, it's important to consider the unique context of Nigeria. Nigeria is a diverse country with a rich cultural heritage. Its people have a long history of innovation and resilience. These factors can provide a fertile ground for the application of Newtonian mechanics. One example of how Newtonian mechanics can be applied in a Nigerian context is the development of traditional crafts. Many Nigerian crafts, such as weaving and pottery, involve the application of physical principles. By understanding these principles, artisans can improve the quality and efficiency of their work. Another example is the development of renewable energy sources. Nigeria has abundant solar, wind, and hydro resources. By applying Newtonian mechanics to the design and development of renewable energy technologies, Nigeria can reduce its dependence on fossil fuels and improve energy security. The future of Newton in Nigeria. The potential for the application of Newtonian mechanics in Nigeria is immense. By understanding the principles of force and motion, Nigerians can develop innovative solutions to the challenges facing their country. However, it's important to recognize that Newtonian mechanics is not a panacea. It is a tool that must be used in conjunction with other approaches. In the future, we can expect to see more and more applications of Newtonian mechanics in Nigeria. As the country continues to develop, there will be a growing need for engineers, scientists, and other professionals who understand the principles of physics. By investing in education and research, Nigeria can ensure that it has the talent and expertise it needs to harness the power of Newtonian mechanics. Conclusion. So, to answer our original question, Can we use Newton in Nigeria? The answer is a resounding yes. Newtonian mechanics has the potential to make a significant contribution to the development of Nigeria. By understanding the principles of force and motion, Nigerians can develop innovative solutions to the challenges facing their country. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.